Hello friends, myself Sneha Gargi and today's my seminar topic is toxicology. So friends, firstly we can see what is the toxicology. Toxicology it is a branch of science that deals with the toxins, poisons, their effects and treatments. Toxicology that is screening it is a very important for the development of the new drugs and for the extension of the therapeutic potential of existing molecules. Toxicology it is used the power of the science that predict what and how chemicals may cause harm and this shares the information to protect public health. Toxicology data refers to the toxins produced by the living organism which are dangerous to the man, like a poisonous plant, venom of the skin, snake, spider, scorpion, etc. Toxicology it is a discipline overlapping with the biological chemistry, pharmacology, and medicine that are involved of the study of the adverse effect of the chemical substance on a living organism and the practice of the diagnosis and treating exposure to the toxins as toxicants. Then we can see other terms of the toxicants. That is toxicants, toxins. Toxicants are the toxic substance from the chemicals and toxins are the poisonous substance that produce within living cells or organism. They basically define as the toxins, the toxic substance that are produced naturally, and toxicant any chemical that are injure or kill human, animal or plant. Toxicity that is describe the degree to which a substance it is a poisonous or it can be causes the injury. That factors dose, duration and route of the exposure that is shapes and structure of the chemical itself and individually human factors. Then we can see the toxicities of the management of the poisoning due to the heavy metal. That is, the heavy metals are the lead, mercury, arsenic, and iron. So, firstly, we can see what is the lead. Lead toxicity. Lead toxicity it is a heavy metal poisoning. That is the most common cause of the heavy metal poisoning is a lead. Lead it is a poisoning most common in affluent countries due to the removal of the lead from the paint, petrol, food, etc. Some general character we can see the most common metallic it is a poisonous lead it is occur in an organic or inorganic form. The absorption of the ejection lead in a children it is much more than in adult, that is 50% children and 10% in adult. The probably the most important chronic environmental illness affecting children. In a children there are probably no organ system in a human to the effect of the lead poisoning. The other sources that is the chemical sources, plant sources and animal sources. The commonest sources that is the drugs and corrosives. Plant sources that is hashish, alcocaine. In animal sources, the least but most serious sources that is venom animals such as scorpion, spider, snake and wasps. The venomous poisonous animal. Venomous animals that is deliver or ejected venom into the other organism which is using the specialized apparatus of the some kind, usually fangs or stingers. The venom it is produced in a gland that are attached to the apparatus. And the poisonous animal they do not deliver their toxins directly. Their entire body or large part of it and it may be contain the poisonous substance. These organisms it may be have harmful when eaten or touched. Then we can see the cinnabar ore or mercury ore. In mercury ore, that is a quicksilver padersa liquid metal. It is a heavy metal and it is a bright silvery in appearance. It is a liquid and it is non-poisonous in swallowed. However, it is a volatilized at a room temperature and inhalation of the vapor it is a toxic. It gets widely distributed throughout the body and it causes toxic damage to the brain, kidney, peripheral nervous system, mucous membrane, etc. Toxins are the exposure to the element mercury. That is, it is decrease the verbal skill. As I say, inflammation of the kidney and high concentration of the element of mercury causes the non-selective pulmonary toxicity. It is heaven, the consumption of the food substance. It is contaminated with the methyl mercury in fish causes organic mercury toxicity. And some symptoms to have a high level of the organic mercury toxic, and it can be appear several days to several weeks of after the ejection. Then what the action we can eat? The combine with the sulfhydryl group that is resulting in an enzyme inhibition and the pathological alteration of the cellular membrane. It get absorbed through the all routes and the salt of the mercury lipid soluble, and it can cross blood brain barriers. It gets scared in a milk and crosses placental barriers. It get widely distributed throughout the body, and it is cause toxic damage to the brain, kidney, peripheral nervous system, mucous membrane, etc. Then we can see acute poisoning. In that acute poisoning, inhalation of the mercury vapors causes that is chemical pneumonia, pulmonary edema, that is a gingivosta matistic, and increases the salivation. In that CNS symptom like central nervous system, that is ataxia, registration of the field of vision, paresis, delirium, polyneuropathy, etc. Then slowing the poison. The signs and symptoms that are started immediately after the slowing the poisons. They are acrid metallic taste in the mouth, feeling of the constriction and choking of the throat. It is hoarseness of the voice. There is a difficulty in breathing, and mouth and tongue are corroded and slowen with a grey white coating. Hot burning pain in the mouth, stomach and abdomen. Stools are blood stained, and urine it is suppressed and scanty, and that contain blood and albumin. It is accompanied by the necrosis of the renal tubules, and it get damage to the glomeruli. What can we get treated? The treated there is a reduced exposure that are albumin such as egg, skim milk, vegetables, glutens to be the PP that is mercury, and in the gastric lavage with the 250 ml of the sodium that is formaldehyde sulfooxylate, that is sodium formaldehyde sulfooxylate. It is the chemical antidote that reduces the perchloride to the metallic mercury, and then 5 to 10% of the sulfoxylate and 5% of the sodium that is bicarbonate is used for the stomach that are wash of the which is a 200 ml. It should be left in a stomach, and this is the beneficial it gives in a first half an hour. Then those are the symptoms that are high levels of the organic mercury and toxin that can be appears several days to the several weeks after the injection. Thank you.